is Maddie, and I'm gonna try to sing a song. It's called Like We Used To. It's by Rocketeer, and I love it. You really have to listen to it. Really, really good. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, I'm not a good singer, but I love it. Okay, here we go. And I'm gonna just completely turn off the music because last time I recorded something with music, I got all this. Here we go. Just. Here we go. I could see her breath as she's sleeping next to me, sharing pilgrims like cold. She can feel my heart fall asleep to its beat under blankets and mirrors. Only I could be in back and on me instead of him. Does he watch his favorite movies? Does he hold you in your does favorite parts when you've seen it a million times? Does he sing to all your music while you dance perfectly? Does he do all these things like I used to? "14 months and 7 days ago, oh I know you know how we felt about that night. Just your skin against the window, oh we took it slow, we both know. Should've been me inside that car, should've been me instead of him in the dark. Does he watch your favorite movies? Does he hold you when you cry? Does he let you tell him all your favorite parts when you've seen it a million times? Does he sing to all your music while you dance the pop with? Does he do all these things like I used to? I know love, I'm a sucker for that happens all the time. You're on my mind now, happens all the time. Love, yeah. Will he love you like I love you? Will he tell you every day? Will he make you feel like you're invincible with every word you'll say? Can you promise me that this was right? Don't throw it all away. Can you do all these things? Will you do all these things like you used to? Like you used to? Yeah, that was my terrible thing. It's not that good, but you know, it's just for fun. So, tap that this week. Oh, and look at my shirt. I love New York. I got it when I went to New York. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I know it's bad, so no haters, okay? Love you. Bye. How do you stop? Sorry. Okay, bye.